Hi, it's Owain at Tonic Studios here, and it's a very special week at Tonic Studios. We're celebrating 2 years of the Tonic Craft Kit, and it's also 4th of July in the USA. So to celebrate, we've got some special saver bundles for you, which I'm going to go through now and talk to you about. So first of all, we've got fireworks display, and these are our shimmer powders. So if you haven't seen our shimmer powders before, they're a pigmented powder which you can spray onto your projects, but then if you spritz with water, they explode with life. Loads of colours, lots of different colours in there. If you haven't seen shimmer powders before, well worth checking out this, and you're going to get a lovely selection. So you've got 6 there in different shades. Next up, we have got Sparkle Splash, and this bundle is an Aquaflow one. So you've got lovely colours here, so in Winter Skies and Arabian Night, but also that aqua shimmer as well to add sort of a golden gloss to your projects. Lovely those, the aqua shimmers. Next up, we got Love and Honor bundle, which is our new gemstones. So you've got the gemstones. If you haven't seen these before, they're lovely embellishments in lots of different colors, really good quality to them, a thickness that's really adds some texture and depth to your project, sorry. And yeah, we've got them in different colors here. So you've got them in a red, you've got them in a white clear sort of diamond, then you've got silvers, and yeah, you've got another metallic there as well for you there. Next, so next up is the Party Poppers selection, and these are glitters and sequins, so some lovely colors here. As you can see, you've got greens, yellows, purples, pinks, a lighter pink there, some white clear triangles, and you've got a really nice peach, sort of fluorescent peach as well. Beautiful, really. These bundles, if you've got any of our bundles before, they're going to expand your craft room and really give you a selection to go and pick and choose and use the right thing for you, the right project. Next up, we have our spots and stripes, and this is a Craft Perfect selection with foiled craft card and speciality papers in lovely stripes, and you've got some spotted papers there in golds, whites and silvers. Yeah, really nice to add some sparkle to a project. And yeah, really again, quality and texture to that Craft Perfect cardstock. And then finally, we've got our glitter pack, which you've got pinks, reds, blues, greens, and golds. Really dazzling glitter cards. Minimal shed if you've ever, if you heard us speak about our glitter card before, but again, Craft Perfect and the quality you expect with that. So there is our bundles for this week. So we're running them from Wednesday at 4 p.m. all the way until Tuesday at 4 p.m. So get them while you can on the UK and the US store. All these bundles will be at 30% off. So that's why they are the saver bundles. We close them off for Tuesday, and then the next bundles will be available at the end of the week. But yeah, these are really special bundles to celebrate. So yeah, I hope you enjoy them and you manage to make a saving.